this is Kritika and welcome to Art of Introspection. It's been 3 years. I wanted to talk about this thing, so I thought it's better late than never. So here I am. Mental health is something we really all should take very, very seriously because it impacts on how we think, we feel, or we perceive things, we behave, and almost everything. To be physically fit, it is also very important to be mentally fit. For example, if a person is in coma, why is he or she in coma? Because their brain isn't working, they are not mentally fit, and so their body also stops functioning. So you know that to be physically fit and healthy, it's so important to really take care of your mental health. I don't know, but I am really concerned about these things, and mental health is something that is very, very close to my heart because I have survived through it. I have seen people survive through it, and it really scares me how they take action to really get out of it. Okay, harming yourself is not the option. Please know this, and there are ways that we can be fit. So mental health problems are so common that people generally say that, okay, I don't want to talk about it. Okay, why are you talking about it? It's just so common. It'll be better. Don't worry about it. You'll be fine. Don't create drama out of it and things like that. But you are not on their situation. You never know what they are actually going through. It must be something very, very terrible. No one really begs you to listen to them or help them, but they are in a situation that they really need some help. They are seeking guidance, and if you are not able to give them guidance, at least listen what they have to say, because it might just help them in a way. I knew and I never know, but listening really helps, and it takes the pressure off their brain and heart, and the person tends to feel better after telling someone that how are they doing and feeling. All right, so let's move forward to what are the mental health problems. For example, depression, anxiety, hypertension, insomnia, or too much of sleep, eating too much, and hallucinating, thinking of harming the self and the other people, excessive drinking, smoking, feeling tired all the day, cutting off from people. These are the signs that shows that a person is not mentally fit, and they really need to take some action against it. How can the situation be better for them? So we really need to start with this. Communication is the key. There's nothing without communication, so please talk to them who really need you to listen to them. And the people going through it, please find someone that you trust the most. It can be anyone, it can be your parents. Please ask them not to judge you, and please stop judging people. It's very bad. So please do it. Talk to them, let it all out. Okay, also please stay away from negative people. They impact your behavior, they impact your personality, they manipulate your mind, and you really don't want that. All right, try and stay in a positive atmosphere. You catch the vibe, so it's really important that you stay in a atmosphere that gets positive out of you. To stay positive, it's really important what you perceive. So you should stay away from the stuff that makes you think that you are not able enough. Please know what you are consuming on social media or in a form of movies or songs. Please make sure it doesn't impact your brain in adverse way, right? Start meditating. It really helps you get the peace. It gets you positivity. It motivates you to do better. And also start some physical activity such as cycling, or whatever you like. Dance it out, sing it out, say it out, paint it out. and what not. I mean, there are so many possibilities, and you have got the talent, right? So please unleash your creative side and stay away from all the stuff that is enough able to hurt you. Help others finish their tasks. Listen to others as they listen to you, your problems. Make a priority list or to-do list and start finishing those tasks off. Learn self-defense if you are struggling through lack of self-esteem. Please learn how to protect yourself. It will also boost your confidence. Also, it's our responsibility that we talk to the people in our house, be it children or be it elderly people. They all need to be heard. For children, I mean, they are not going to school right now, but you can just ask them who are those who they like the most, who are those who they don't like the most. In children, there's this tendency that they are not able to speak, but it will impact their behavior, their decision making skills, their perception about things, and many different things, and they are children. So please take some time out of your schedule and talk to them, give them some time, as they deserve it also, and they might reveal something that might put you in shock. All right, don't think that you are alone. Okay, we all are here, we all are ready to listen to you. If you want to share anything, we are here. You can drop me a mail, artofintrospection11@gmail.com. I have written in the description. You can also drop me a text on my Instagram handle. It's also given in the description box. And if you need, I can arrange a psychologist for you, that so that you can talk to them, and whichever query you have about yourself or someone you know, you can talk to them and they'll help you out. I have also given the mental health guideline numbers in the description box. If you need them, please feel free to use them. Please do not let anybody feel aloof. Okay, this is the time we all need to be united and help each other survive. So please pay attention to smaller things and do not let them get bigger. And if you think anybody needs to listen what I had to say, please share this video with them. Please like, share and subscribe. Help me out to spread the word and spread the awareness that everybody needs to know. Also, it's my birthday, so I don't think there could be any other better day to post this and start this off. This something is really close to my heart, and I want my best to make myself happy as well as people I influence too. I would really appreciate your support. Nothing else. Thank you so much. Ask, share, care. You're enough. Be kind. Bye.